Welcome, ambitious energy engineer. You're here because you recognize that the energy industry is shifting in ways you can't ignore. With AI for energy engineers, you're not just keeping up, you're taking control. This course introduces you to an entirely new toolkit that amplifies your established expertise, opens hidden career opportunities, and positions you as the expert who harnesses AI to drive real-world results. Change is around every corner, and with AI integrated into sustainability, decentralization, and digitalization trends, this course challenges you to not just adapt, but to be the innovator. Here, you'll explore practical, real-world applications of AI specifically designed for energy engineering. Imagine automating routine tasks, accelerating data analysis, and simplifying complex decisions so you can reclaim those valuable hours for strategic thinking and groundbreaking solutions. By integrating AI into your workflow, you elevate your value within your organization. The skills you develop will secure your job by making you an indispensable professional who drives efficiency and maximizes performance. And let's be real, enhancing your skill set positions you for new opportunities and higher paychecks. This course is more than a learning experience. It's an investment in your future. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. You'll have access to comprehensive video courses, real-world case studies, a vast library of industry-specific prompts, digital resources, audiobooks, and even a suite of specialized AI tools. And with monthly updates, you're always at the cutting edge. Discover all AI for energy engineers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.